DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Let's just move right into assembly with our famous assembly lube. Ooh, you're so shiny. Let's clean you off. Some assembly lube. A little bit. So she's good and slicked for the sexual innuendo that's going to happen here now. A big cock going into here. Ooh. Penetration. Penetrated. There we go. Ready for assembly. Ready for assembly. This part. So we need to go to the assembly station. However, I need to find out how many foot-pounds this sucker takes. I have no idea, and I don't want to screw up. Gee. Now, I'm thinking I might have screwed up a little bit. Because if you remember, the Loctite is only up here. And they do mention that you only want to put the Loctite, it says on the first few threads. I don't understand. But I don't know how to get it to here without, when it screws in, unless you go inside here, and do it in there. Maybe that's what you have to do. I don't know. Maybe I'll do that. It's hard to see. I got some in there. On the bigger one, I guess it would be easier. Let's see how this works. Now they do say 340. Shit, I forgot my 1 inch. Oh, I can use my 3/4. Because this only needs 340. 340, and this baby can handle 340. Never stop whistling. So let's give it 340. Let's give it a nice chunk. Now 340 would be, well, 400. It would be a little bit less than my weight at 2 feet. So my weight at 2 feet would be right about there, but let's see, 1 foot, 2 foot. My weight, 185 at 2 feet is, I think that's good. She was still moving, but I don't want to strip her. Probably not much chance of that. Yeah, 1 foot, 2 feet, 185 at 2 feet is 200, 360. So, yeah, let's redo that just for grams. There. Pretty sure that's close. Alright. Time to put baby back in. Might as well do it now. I have a saying that the only time you can do anything is right fucking now. Because if you'll notice, whenever you're doing anything, guess what time it is? Alright. Need our hydro fluid. Man, I got a lot of tools to put away, don't I? Yeah, I got shit everywhere. Alright. This is going to be relatively difficult because I'm putting this sucker in upside down. Will you stay here? Stay. 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 And then here, gotta lube this one. Alright, here we go. I need to tilt that up somehow. Alright. Stay. Stay. She's tilted up. This is a little tricky. I've never done one of these before. You don't want to go in. She doesn't want to come out either. I need some kind of leverage. Fuck. Alright, that should keep you in there for now. What do we got here? Well, give me something to hang on to. Fuck. She doesn't want to push in. Why don't you want to go in, you bitch? Huh. Interesting. Maybe a jack? Oh, maybe she's cockeyed. Shit. Maybe a rope? Yeah, let's do a rope. Fuck. Yeah, I gotta rope her up. this? Bungee, an old military bungee. Funny how I just ran across that, huh? Straight. It's pretty straight there. Well, at least she's not gonna be falling around. Bitch. Now, where do I tie her off at? Okay, that's pretty straight. So why doesn't she want to go in? There's no... I didn't bother to put towels in that. Fuck. You're not supposed to be that tight, bitch. I've got little hydraulic jacks, but I'd have to take the chance that she slips out when I pull that wood out. Huh. A tire iron. Will that work? That's putting quite a bit of pressure on her. Fuck. She don't want to go in there. Well, she's not quite straight either. Right there. Ooh, there she went. I had to force fuck her. And it helps to get her straight. This was reminding me of something. Something that starts with an A. I'm gonna get myself kicked off of YouTube. Well, at least I turned this pin down and it seems to want to be pretty straight. As he says, as it won't go in. I will turn you down more, you fucking bitch. I gotta turn this pin down more, look at that. Pretty loose. You know? I don't want to beat on it because I got the dirt on there already. There it is. There she is. Fuck. Well, you guys got to see all my struggles. Alright, here we go with the anti-seize. Come on, you better turn. Well, it's a fucking anti-seize. Don't spare the anti-seize. How much I glom on there? Refresh the O-ring with hydro fluid. Up you go. And Where are those huge, where did I put those? The big channel locks. Is that what fell down earlier? I heard something banging. Oh, that's my hammer. One of my hammers. I'm not ready for my big wrench yet, my fancy wrench. I need to find those channel locks. Where the hell did I put those? They should still be here. You guys, I don't know who saw them, but I put this piece of wood right on top of them. So no wonder I couldn't find them, huh? Let's see if this will start. Let's see if the force is with me. I think she's starting. Yeah, she's starting. It's a lot easier than using that wrench. I'll use that wrench at the end. It's hard to grab. It's hard to grab the end of the nut with the other end that I can't see. I'm just curious to see whether I can do it all with these channel locks. I've got an inquiring mind. Okay, I don't think so. Oh, I think that's the way. See, those two got to line up. Well, now it's time for the magic wrench. And the cheater, I imagine. Where did I put that? Found the cheater. Hole. Hole. Not a hole? It's a hole. Okay, here we go. Hard to tell. I think it's lined up. Need my glasses. Yeah, just a little bit more. In other words, just as tight as you can get that bitch. There we go. That part is done. Finished. Well, I gotta get my magic screw. Because we want to do it according to approved case. Well, not quite. Not quite according to case approved methods. Not by a long shot. I'm pretty sure, well maybe this will tighten all the way. See what it's doing, it's making its own threads, which is fine with me. Probably the next guy that has to do this, this won't break off, you know. Hopefully, unless I break it off while I'm putting it in. Okay, that's not going anywhere. So, I did put some anti-seize on the end here. But I'm going to put some anti-seize just for grins, you know. And this is going to have grease inside of it, but I'll just put some anti-seize on here. It's pretty fucking loose. I must have taken about 10th thou off or more. Oh shit, I gotta run an update. Alarm! I just... Now I finally got this lined up. So, she slides in and out. But it's easier to put the clip on before you put it in. At least on that side. There. Then you can put it in on this side. Good deal. There's some more anti-seize in there. Just for grins. Anyway, I don't think she'll seize up again. Okay, time to hook up the hydraulics again. And then cycle it, see how she works. Alright, let me do that. Okay, hydraulic lines installed. This tightened up. Let's give her some grease. See if she'll take it. Seems to be. Might be out. Out of grease. Well, she got some. Damn it. Well, it's good enough for a test. Need to get more grease. The kind you want is that red one, the red stuff. It's really good. Okay, let's start her up. See if she will move. I charged the battery, so she should start right up. Hello, Mr. Bismarck. How are you, sir? Blown out the air. pin, but I gotta take the tension off of it. Alright, that worked well. Once we blew all the air out of the ram. Did you hear it, see it jump? Jump. Okay, you bitch. You're fixed. No more leaks. Hopefully. Man, I'm gonna have to steam her again after this is all done. Wow, that's loose still? Weird. I would have thought there was some tension one way or the other here, but... Okay, kids, that's it. 3 rams. Fuck, I ain't doing any more. I might do that one. But if one of these other ones goes out, like in the back, go fuck yourself. I'm selling it. Or this one, you know? I don't know how you do that one. You gotta support the bucket. Get the bucket up high, I guess, and fuck. I'm not even thinking about this piece of shit right here. So far, knock on wood, you know? But some of these other ones, like that one is bleeding off. You know, bleeds off over time, but let's hope it's not too critical. How'd you like to do those? Fuck me, huh? There's one, this is an extender hole, there's one inside. See that? It's completely inside here. I mean, this is the dipper, right? The bucket dipper. And you got the arm, the swing arm. That's right there. Okay. And then you got the, you know, up and down. So that, fuck, how'd you like to fix that one? Not. I guess you could do that one if you laid it all, extended it all down. But that extender hoe is inside here somewhere. Buried. You'd have to take that whole fucking thing apart. Not doing it. Oh, here's the other kind of bad thing that happened. I was filtering all the fluid out, you know, and I had this sitting on top here. And wouldn't you know, overnight it rained a little bit. So now, there's probably a little bit of water in here. But I got a solution for that. We're going to cook it, boil all the water out. I got a pot ready for it. So that's what we're going to do to replenish that fluid. And hopefully I'll have enough. It's barely, it's at the bottom. The level is, and you can't see it anymore, but I think you can see a little bit of fluid in there, maybe. But it needs more. It's supposed to be about there. But once I pour all this back in, there's nothing wrong with this, except it's got shit in it. So that's the next step, is to clean all this, boil the water out of there if there is any. Actually, the water's on the bottom, so I could probably pour it off the top, but I'm not going to take a chance. Not with all the fucking rust I found in this shit. And if this one's loose, no. I want to put some anti-seize. I should have done it before I put the pin in, but I want to put anti-seize all through here. This doesn't move very much. It only moves when you're way down and you're coming up. But there's no grease fitting here, nothing. Okay, that's it. Hopefully this will be the last fucking video I do on this backhoe.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.